Magandang araw mga kapins. Punta tayo ngayon sa Bridgewater. Tingin tayo ng used car mga kapins. Samahan nyo kami.
Laging positive lang at laging masaya. Peace TV ang inyong kasama. Kahit na mahirap, para sa pangarap. Buhay Canada ay ipapakita niya sa Peace TV. Tara sumama sa kanya, mga kapins na hindi nawawala. Problema kalimutan at sipagan. Araw-araw tayo dapat lumaban. Sa kanyang mga vlog makikita nyo buhay Canada, malalaman nyo. San man siya magpunta ay kasama kayo. Mga ginagawa ng OFW. Dating crew sa Jollibee store, naging manager for 20 years. Nagsikap, nagtiyaga at ngayon nasa Canada na. Taasan lang ang pangarap mga kapins, para mataas din ating marating. Maraming malalaman kay kapins. Laging positive sa Peace TV. Laging positive lang.
Ayan, magandang araw mga kapins. Dito na tayo sa Bridgewater. Ayan o, Wholesale Direct. Ngayon ay November 15, 2025. And ang temp ngayon ay malamig. -1 feels like -15. Bridgewater Aliwan. Yung titingnan natin sa sakyan. Doon, nakapark. Yan, bibili si Kuya ng kanyang sasakyan. Moraita Edition. Punta natin. Tingnan muna natin. Silipin muna natin. Dito, pwede mong mabili ito. May mga presyo na mga kapitsa. May ulit. Nagpaalam tayo na i-take yung video. So, ang nakita ni Kuya is this one. 181K. Yan. 2490.
Just start it.
First time.
When it's off work.
Sama, Kuya. model, right, sir?
That's right.
I'm wondering the spare parts of 2008 model is gonna easy to order online or?
You shouldn't be bad. I mean, we have a Subaru shop, connected to us there.
Okay.
And, we see a lot of the early 2000s cars still on the road. And there's a lot of aftermarket parts too. You don't have to get actual
Yes, sir.
Subarus.
Okay, thank you. I think my son gonna like it.
Yeah.
It's just like it's just a sports car. This is
It's so nice. And then
Yeah.
all-wheel drive from Subaru, man, you cannot beat them.
yeah, it's all-wheel drive.
Yeah, for sure.
How's the ride for first? This is our first time to ride the Subaru.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Okay. So for example, we buy this today, and how's the permit to drive in the city to go to the mechanics?
Yeah. So it's designed, like you said, basically to get a person home to their mechanic, whatever they need to do.
Okay.
If a person were to buy today, let's say on Saturday,
Yeah.
the only thing is it's a short term, so it's like a 2-day. So
Yeah.
it would technically expire Sunday night at midnight.
Okay.
So, it still would get you home, or if you have a shop that you know you're taking it to, you get a chance to take it out there and maybe drop it off type thing. But it's after that, you kind of have to get your MPI.
Okay. I thought it counted on the work days. It's
Yeah, it's unfortunately it's just 2 days no matter what. That's right.
okay. Good to know. Blocked. Okay.
I'll let you guys check this out for a minute and I'll come right back. Is that okay?
Yes, boss. Thank you. Yan, kas. Yan, medyo maraming gagawin dito. Pero, ang problema, check engine siya. Nakita mo? Walang winter washer, meron pa. Ganyan itsura niyan, 2008 model. Pero 4-wheel drive siya. All-wheel. Lata-lata. Parang wala namang bangga, no? Kita mo? Okay. So yan, ganyan yung itsura niya mga kapinsan. Winter na yata yan eh. So, papalitan mo yan, syempre. Nakasarado na? Ah, may basag to ah. Ganito. Higa ka nga, tingnan mo nga kung ano. Ganyan kalaki yung compartment, kahit kala mo maliit. Yan. Ito yung problema, yung rust. Nalubog kaya to. Labog nga. Basa oh. Ito, basa. Hindi kaya na yun. Ito. Basta. Yan yung issue. Paayos yan. Pero okay naman. Still stuck.
Yep.
This one. Let's see. How to... Hindi na tatanggal. Oh, ano to? Meron siya. How about the, what's this? The tire, what's, lug nuts?
Yeah.
Is there
I think they're walking. So, no, just looks like 5 normal.
normal? No lugs. Oh, okay. Oh, wala namang lug nuts. Oh, okay naman.
And actually pretty good rubber left on as well.
Yeah. I think it's still good.
Yeah.
Is this a winter tire or something?
So
Or all season?
all seasons, yeah.
All seasons. Kailangan palitan.
We do have a dealer fee, just like our new car stores, and we have tax, obviously, can't help that. So this is set up right now to drive the car away. It's a $3,100 vehicle. Yeah. And you can see it does have a clean Carfax, no reported history. We can provide that if you wish, just as simple as printing it out.
Okay.
It is sold though, just I think you guys already know, but with no MBI and no warranties. So if you purchase it, it is a final sale.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we ask to print that?
Yes.
Also.
Of course.
Thank you. Subaru Impreza. 2008 Subaru Impreza 2.5i. I ba yan? Yung wagon. 4-cylinder guys.
Well, I've got a niece that's
Japan made.
KAM,
Japan.
RYN.
Brakes in the spring in May. So yeah, new battery last year, so about 1 year on the battery. So yeah, they were keeping up with it.
Okay, nice. It's my first time to see this.
Oh yeah, right on. Yeah, some of them have a lot more information than others. Just depends, like I said, on which shop they go to, because not every branch will report all their
Yes,
services
yes,
to Carfax. So, but any accidents would be on there. So yeah.
It's like no major accidents.
No, she was clean. No accidents to report.
It's good to know. So would you mind if I ask her how's the process to register in Access Nova Scotia?
Of course.
Usually.
So we'll provide today a bill of sales that shows that you purchased the vehicle from us,
Okay.
as well as the ownership that's still in our name. So
Okay.
once you have the new MBI sticker,
Okay.
then you can take everything to motor vehicles, and they will just reprint the ownership in whoever's name. So,
Okay.
which is actually my next question: who's going to be the official purchaser? It's going in your
Yeah.
name, single name.
Single
Okay,
name.
All right, no problem. So I've got it here, and you.
inyong kasama. Kahit na mahirap, para sa pangarap, buhay Canada ay ipapakita niya sa Peace TV.
You guys are purchasing without a pre-MBI, so 4 spots again. 2653.
Ayun, nakabili na si Kuya. Lalagyan na lang sa sa kanyang sa windshield sa harapan. All goods? Okay. Ayan na si Kuya. Dinadrive niya na yung sasakyan niya. Ayan na. tayo sa Teams mga kapins. Dito tayo ngayon sa Bridgewater. Sa North Street, Bridgewater, Nova Scotia, Canada mga kapins. Ngayon ay November 15, 2025. Yan. Yan. I-share namin sa inyo yung ating takeaway today sa sa pagkuha ng used car sa wholesale direct. Okay? Mga kapins, mamaya ulit. Ayan si Kuya. Dito tayo sa Tim Hortons. Dito sa Mahon Bay. Yung Mahon Bay. Ito yung pinakamalapit na Tim Hortons eh. Kaso sarado yata. Ah, hindi. Bukas. Mali ako ng exit kanina eh. Sabi ko, sumiretso ako. Uti.
Yan, inano nga kita eh. Sinta ko na lang ito eh.
Tara.
Kala ko, hindi ko ka na eh. Yung pala, meron pa isa ko na pala eh.
Oh. Kain muna kami. Ayan na si Kuya. Oh, pwede pala eh. Ito natin, malamig. Yun lang yun. Ayan mga kapins. So, kung bibili kayo, ito na yung final natin. So, meron tayong sale of vehicle, not safety approved. Not safety approved kasi nga wala ang MBI. Meron ding temporary registration, yan. Tapos ito yung certificate of registration of a vehicle, yan. Ano pa ba? So, ito yung mga documents na binibigyan nila. Siyempre meron tayong payment receipt, yan ang resibo. Fully paid. Oo, di ba? Tapos ano pa? Para yung mga first timer na bumili din sa sa mga dealership na katulad ng pinuntahan namin, Meron ding waiver of dealer liability. Yan. Tapos, siyempre walang refund yan. Meron din purchase agreement. Okay? So, tapos, meron tayong customer approval purchase. Yan, yung mga hahanapin nyo or binibigay ng mga dealership. And siyempre yung huli, yung Carfax. Yung Carfax, ito yung pag bumili ka sa sasakyan, malalaman mo kung may na involved na accident or may information na halimbawa dinala mo sa service dealership, nagpagawa ka ng parte. Yan, nandito lahat yun. Nandito lahat yan. So dito ang 2024 na pinaka-latest nila ito, 2024. Ayan. Nakalagay dito August 30. Sinervisan sa Oregon Subaru sa Bridgewater. Ayan. Maintenance performance, AC and heating system check. O diba? Mga ganon. Dito sa part na to. And history lang yun. So yun lang. So nabili ni Kuya yung kanyang first car. Official. Pero kailangan din siyempre 2008 model maglalabas ulit ng pera para sa MBI, yung mga papalitan, siyempre gulo, magpapalit din yan, i-check yung brake, lahat ng fluids. So siguro ano pa, nasa less than 3,000 pa siguro magagastos. So yung nabili natin yung unit is 3,000 kasama na yung registration. So pagka pinarehistro pala to sa Access Nova Scotia, yung parang LTO sa Pinas, hindi na magbabayad ng tax kasi bayad na yung tax dito sa dealership na kinuha natin. So yun lang. So kasi medyo mahirap yung yung bibili ka sa marketplace, yung tao hindi mo rin alam kung reliable talaga. Pero so far, pagdating sa yung first tingin ko sa car, malutong. Ayos naman. All are working except lang yung kasi tinignan ko yung mga ilaw, yung nagbusina ka kanina. Yung busina, yung flasher, brake, okay naman. So yun lang, yung makina medyo madumi, syempre given na yan. Kailangan natin ipa-engine detail. So lahat, mga power windows, okay. So hindi mo pa na-try yung manual mode. Pwede naman i-try yan. So yun, it's automatic. Ito yung model niya is 2008 Subaru Impreza 2.5i. So wagon type, 4 cylinders, gas. Yan. Country of assembly, Japan. So last reported odometer is 180,245. Ngayon ay nasa 181,991 na. So yun lang, salamat sa inyong pagsama sa akin at sana sa amin. At sana mayroon kayong natutunan sa ating video today. Yan. Sa pagbili ng second hand car sa wholesale or as is where is dealership. So yun. Yun lang mga kapins. See you sa next one. Don't forget the hashtag PinsTV, Kapins in Canada, PinsTV Canada. Philippines no, hashtag Kapins. Yan mga kapins. Salamat and kita-kits sa next one.